Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix no GPS signal issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on software update and click on download and install. We will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search weather app from here. Click on weather app and click on battery and select unrestricted. After select unrestricted, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset. After click on reset, click on factory reset data and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix no GPS signal issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.